Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to mark student attendance. It's simple. You can do this through Attendance module, great for marking in bulk, or the Schedule module. Let's go with Attendance module first. Head to the navigation menu, select Attendance, then click on Student Attendance. This will open a table displaying all student attendance records and key details. If you need help finding a specific student, click the search bar and type in any keyword. Alternatively, you can use the filter option to sort by name, course, or marking status. The date range selector allows you to filter attendance records for a specific period. You can also switch between active student and all student to adjust the list based on their status. To mark attendance, simply select absent or present using the checkboxes. The signed by column records the name of the staff member who logged the attendance for future reference. Now let's go over how it's done in Schedule module. To start, go to the navigation menu and select Schedule. Once you're in, choose the event you want to mark attendance for. You can also select a date in the mini calendar to view the specific schedule. A pop-up with the session details will appear. Click the Attendance tab. Just mark them as either absent or present. If you need to modify existing records, click the pencil icon. Once you've made the changes, the updated attendance will be saved automatically. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.